Now, before my students can work through the content of a module, I first have to publish it. So let's learn how to do that and how you can tell when a module item is published. In this example, I have chapter 3 of Little Women, and I'm ready for the students to work through this content. So to publish the module, I'm going to look to the upper right corner, and I'm going to push that publish circle, and that's going to turn each item below it green as well. Notice, however, that although these are green, these haven't turned green yet. However, if you just reload the page, you'll see that these will turn green as well as the edge of that item to indicate that it's published. Notice as well that each item was published. No matter what, when you click that Publish Module button, all the items below become published. So if there's a course item that you're not ready for your students to see, you just need to manually go down and unpublish those individual items, and students won't be able to see. So let's check our work. If we click up here on Student View, we'll see that all the items except for 3.4 and 3.5 are seen, and that's exactly what we see. So in this lesson, we looked at how to publish a module as well as how to tell when a module is published. Cheers.